Hey everybody, Lara here from Love on a Plate, and today I am cooking from the Chef Scott burger box. I'm really excited for this. These are some amazing burgers. Check these out. So these are already preformed. You can tell by all of the marbled meat in there. It's got a good amount of fat. These are going to be super, super juicy. But what I'm even more excited about is that Chef Scott sends along his secret, and this one I can't get out of him, but his secret steak seasoning blend. And as much as I like the flavor of beef, I like my food to have like full flavor, pops of flavor. So since he gives this to us, we're going to use it. So I am liberally going to season both sides of the burgers because, you know, I don't want one side to feel bad. And these burgers, I don't know if you can see, but they have bits of bacon in there already. This is not your regular everyday burger. These are kicked up. These are Chef Scott style burgers. And this just makes it extra. And then what was so nice for me, because I'm a busy mom, is that these are ready to go. Can pass those off to my honey. While he's outside grilling those, look at this bacon. Look how thick that is. Okay, I'm excited for this. I'm gonna cook mine in the air fryer. You could also totally cook this in your oven. And when you cook bacon that's this good and has, like, look at the bark on there, it's gonna get cooked, it's gonna be crisp, but it's still gonna have some bite to it. It's not gonna crumble up like grocery store bacon. So this is amazing. This is a double smoked, thick cut slab bacon. You want to eat this. So I'm gonna cook that. And then in this particular bundle that I bought, this box, so it included, this is potato salad, and this is the traditional Ukrainian or Russian potato salad. It's got little carrots in it, peas. Good old friend of mine who used to live downstairs from me, her mom used to make this, and it was my absolute favorite thing to go down and sneak a couple bites of. So we've got this that came in my box. We've got some good deli coleslaw. We've got pickles, really good pickles. These are from Scheffler's. These are full of flavor, lots of garlic, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna slice them, some to go on the burger because some people like that, and then I'm just gonna cut the rest into spears. So if you are looking for a great family dinner that's easy, that's still homemade, that doesn't take you a lot of time to cook, check out the Chef Scott burger box. But you can also order burgers separately, and in some of the weekly boxes you actually get burgers included because those change up every week. So we're gonna head outside to the grill. We're gonna come back and we'll assemble them. So aside from the amazing burgers that we are grilling, also included was these are so delicious. These are from the Future Bakery. They're a brioche bun. They are full of flavor, and again, so much better. This is like going to one of those gourmet burger shops. Costs you less than a quarter of the price, takes way less time, and it is 10 times better. So we're gonna head out to the grill, and I will see you in a little while. Okay, so the burgers, look how beautiful those look. And the bacon has gotten crispy and they are perfectly done. So now we're just going to assemble. And I'm going to move those out of the way. And I have warmed up the brioche bun. And I'm going to start by, I like my cheese to get warm. So I'm going to start by putting my burger. This one is actually for James. We're gonna put some beautiful Canadian cheddar, and that's gonna you can even see already it's gonna start to melt. And then he likes red onions, and all of these things came to me this week. And pickles. And those are the pickles that I sliced them up. Put it that way. And this is like a Dijon barbecue burger topper sauce. It's delicious. And I will have the recipe up on the website for you. It's a secret combo. It really just takes these burgers to the next level. Hot peppers, we're gonna put a couple of those on. And now wait for it. The bacon shot. All right, do you see how beautiful that bacon is? James is a very happy guy. And we're gonna give him 2 big, amazing pieces. We're gonna do this, squish that puppy down so that you can actually eat it. I'm gonna treat him to a couple of kettle cooked chips, some potato salad, and some coleslaw, because that's like our greens. And dinner is served, you guys. This is, well, I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, you can get all of these delicious ingredients from your local St. Lawrence Market curated Chef Scott box. We'll put the link in the comments. Thanks so much, and we'll see you all again soon.